Okay, it's Sunday, March 4th. It's about a quarter after 11. Just changed the raw water impeller pump. A little bit of a pain in the ass, not really that difficult. So had to take these two bolts out and then take the raw water impeller actually completely off. So I had to take it off the belt, take it out, flip it upside down, and then change out the impeller. And there's a bite mark out of it because I took it out, pulled it out with pliers. It kind of just slides off, but the impeller chines and everything, they feel pretty solid. So I think I think this would have had some life in it, but it was good that I checked because I'm not super happy with this clamp that was on the intake side. The outtake side of the pump. So it looks like it's running well. So I replaced the belts. The belts were in good shape. There was some carbon dust because this is a 100 amp Balmar, which is really a little big for this engine, but with a single half-inch belt. So replaced both of the belts, got those tightened up. And a little bit of a slow start in the engine. Hadn't been running a little while. But engine sounds pretty good. It's been running for about 5 or 6 minutes. So that looks like a successful mission. I don't see any water leaking. Got maybe a little bit of cleanup. I don't see any water leaking out or anything like that. So it looks like everything's clamped up okay. Pump stop doesn't appear to be leaking anywhere, so I think we're good.
Over there. Wait, no, it's gone.
Are you filming?
Yeah, but it's not there.
What's the range?
I don't know. Before that other boat and after that other boat. It's where everybody's heading right now. See it?
Oh, I see it.
There's two.
Oh, 2 whales.
On the inside of the harbor or the outside of the harbor?
Over. Looks like a Allberg 30. Love those boats.